Who are the good dogs here? Very nice downstay. Yes. Very nice. Just Wade Whaler. He's 30. I know I said your name, but you stay put. He's 33 pounds. Excellent downstay. Excellent downstay. Excellent downstay. Good dogs. Very nice. Good settle. Yes. Good downstay. She said, I had a little trouble at first, but I'm okay now. Good downstay. Excellent downstay. Excellent downstay. Excellent downstay. Stay put. Good. Good dogs. Yeah. Excellent. Let's see if you can do the leave it. Leave it. Good, leave it. Excellent, leave it. Good, leave it. Perfect, leave it. Oop, there's your cookie right there. Excellent. Good, leave it. Look at that little leg. Oh my God, I can't stand staying still. Excellent downstay. Good job, everybody. Oh, Aaron, you look so old, honey. He says, I am old. You're a good boy. Good dogs. Stay put. Excellent downstay. Excellent downstay. Excellent downstay. I'm hiding. Excellent downstay. Perfect. Good settle, everybody. Very nice. Perfect job on your downstays. Excellent. Yes. You guys are cute. You're cute.